Hello guys, so a lot of you have actually seen this LocalCoin P2P crypto exchange platform. This script, a lot of you might have come across it. Here you exchange crypto or whatever asset you want to exchange. So a lot of you might have come across this site or this script. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to install it, and how you can make use of it to build any kind of website that you want to trade whatever currency. So you have different modes of logging in or different modes of sign up, and you have the Google, Facebook and all that. So you can trade all forms of crypto on this platform, as it's an escrow script, and you can trade all kind of currencies. So this is what we're going to be installing this tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to install it and how to set it up for yourself. Yes, for yourself. So that is it. The script is very secure and you can do a lot with it, and buying and selling down to trading. So if you're ready for this, guys, let's get started. So this is how the admin look. So let's get started. So now for this, I'm going to be using PMS Tech hosting for this setup. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this hosting. And so the first thing you want to do is to come here. So the first thing you want to do is to come here and search for your domain name. Now, assuming this is your domain name, you're going to click on search or whatever you want to choose. You're going to click on search, and it's going to tell you if the domain name is available or not. Now, after picking your domain name, then you get your hosting. So as you can see, it's actually checking if the domain name is available. As you can see, the domain name is available for 19,240 naira. So now the next thing is you click on add to cart to be added to your cart. Then you want to come to service, click on order new service after creating an account. So you order a new service. On this service, you select a hosting plan. So there are a lot of hosting plan here of different types. You're going to select the micro basic if you want to build one website, as you can see, micro basic. But if you want a bigger plan, you select the basic plan. For me, I use the advanced plan. To host any kind of website because it's actually better and bigger, and Cloudflare is already on it. So that's it. So once you do it, you'll be given your cPanel. So I'm just going to go to my cPanel because I already have a hosting and a domain name for it. So I'm just going to go to my cPanel and then show you guys how to continue from there. So once you log into your cPanel, you're going to come here and click on upload file. Now you're going to select the file. So let me select the file. So my website, so let me see. I have a lot of script here. So let me see, look for LocalCoin. So this is it. So as you can see, I just uploaded this site, the file. Okay, now the file has been uploaded. I'm going to click on go back home. Now the next thing is to extract the file here. Click on extract. As you can see, we have the file extracted. Then you reload. Then go inside the file, select everything, move it to the main folder of your website. So I'm going to remove it. Now if this is the only website, if this is the only file you have on this website, then there's no need for this. But because this is an add-on domain, that's why I'm having this at the front. So I'm going to move the files here. Then I'm going to go back. So now we already have everything I need here. So I'm going to go to the install folder. So I'm going to copy the domain name, go to the domain name / install INSTALL. So I'm going to click on enter. So So as you can see, this is the installer. So you click on agree and next. Now the next thing is to rename everything you see here. So this is the required permission. You copy it, replace it with this. So in core bootstrap cage, core storage app, core storage framework, core storage log. So let's go. So core bootstrap cage. So let's go to the core bootstrap. Then there's the cage, which is this, or the cache, or depend on what you're calling it. So I'm going to click on save, up one level. Then there's the storage. Then inside the storage, you have the app, you have the framework, then you have this. So now we have the three. So call logs, cost these, okay, cost storage, call bootstrap, okay. We are done with the three. So now sometimes you click on recheck, it might not show like this. All you just have to do is to go to your browser and reload, and then it's going to tell you. So you click on next step. Now the next step is to include your database. Now we don't have a database. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my database area. So I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to search on my cPanel database wizard. Now as I search for database wizard, I'm going to call this text 1. So I'm going to click on next. Paste this here. Password. Okay, so I'm going to call it or better still, it's more easier when you use the same password for everything. So the three of them will have the same name and password. So let's copy this, paste, then you paste. So you have 100 over 100. You click on create user. Now we succeeded in creating a user for this account. So what we'll do next is to go to this part. The name, remember, it's the same name we use, the same database, the same password. Then the host is always localhost. Now let's wait till it's actually saved. So save all users and make changes. So that is done. The next thing is to come here, type in name admin. Whatever username you want is your choice. I want to call this admin, and I want to use this. Click on install now. Okay, so you're going to give it some time to install, and once it's done, it's going to let you know. Okay, your system has been installed successfully. As you can see, delete the install folder from the server. So let's go to the server, go back. So now look for the install folder. This is it. Then you delete it. So now we have done that. This is it. Then you go to website. So welcome to the local coin P2P crypto exchange script. So this is the website. So now to visit the admin, just enter your website name /admin. So once you enter your website name /admin, you're going to click on enter. And this is going to take you to this page where you can enter your admin. So our admin username is admin and our admin password is admin. And then I'm going to click on login. This is, guys, this is the latest version. As you can see, total users, active users, these are everything. So this is your users, KYC pending. This is your ads. If you want to add advertisement to the website, this is your trade. If you want people to be trading cryptocurrency on your platform, this is it. Cryptocurrency, fiat currency, fiat gateway, payment window. This is the deposit. You can add payment window from here. This is your deposit area. So this is your support ticket where you see all the support you need. This is the report. Okay, guys. So you have that. So the important part of this website is the settings. As you can see, this is first general setting. So what do you want to call your website? So let's call this P2P. Complete charge, okay, 2% per any trading people do. You can change the color if you want, but this is okay. And the next thing is your system configuration. Go to your system configuration. User registration, yes, enable. Force SSL, I always want to enable this. Agree to policy if you want to enable it. Force secure password, KYC verification, email verification, email notification, mobile verification, SMS, and others you have here. On your cron job, you have the cron job already set for you and it's running every 5 minutes. Then your API setting. So if you want to connect to any if you want to connect your API to coin payment or coin market cap, you can do that from this area. Now referral settings, this is where you set the amount people make for using your platform. So how many level, you give the level, then generate, you set the amount. So this is for deposit commission and this is for trading commission. So if you someone refer person and the person if someone refer person and the person deposit, how much is he going to make? If someone refers somebody and the person trade, how much is he going to make? So now your logo and favicon. So logo and favicon, this is your way you change your logo. This is where you add your favicon. This is the white favicon, the dark blue. You can change it to whichever color you want, so it doesn't look as if it's a script, that it's look as if it was self-developed. You can change the logo, change the color. It all depends on you. So then you have the extensions. You can literally do the extensions, install it, talk to Google Recapture, Google Analytics, and custom capture if you want to set them. So languages, as you can see, you have just few languages here. English, I don't know, Bangla, Espanol, which is Spanish. I literally do not know any of this language, so please just set whatever you want to set, and you can add your own language here if you understand what you are doing. So then you have your SEO manager. As you can see, this is where you set up the SEO of the website, the meta of the website. So you also have other pages here if you want to set other pages. As you can see, yeah, this is manage templates, manage pages, and manage each section of the website. So I think this is a very easy one for anyone to download and start setting up. Anyone can just do this wherever they feel like or whenever they feel like. So that's it, guys. So for the template, you have two templates, the basic and the elite. So this is the basic one which we are currently using, and this is the elite one, which is the white one. So guys, that's it for this setup tutorial, how to set up LocalCoins P2P exchange script. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you click on the subscribe button. If you have not, please hit the subscribe button, as I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye for now.